Friends All Around by Amelia Ford. Friends all around. Some friends are the same age. Some friends are different ages. Some friends teach each other. Some friends learn together. Some friends play fast music. Some friends play slow music. Some friends dance in a parade. Some friends dance in a show. Some friends listen to each other. Some friends help each other. Some friends ride horses together. Some friends ride bicycles together. Some friends make a snowman. Some friends make a snow bear. Some friends jump with a rope. Some friends jump with a ball. Some friends share books. Some friends share computers too. Some friends like to run in the sun. Some friends like to run in the rain. Sometimes friends get along, and sometimes they argue. But all friends care about each other.